Hello everyone, this is Mr. Jackson. We're looking at item number 4 for our homework for Monday, October 22nd, 2012 in math. Instructions. Write the number sentence that gives the answer to the following. So we can't just put answers in the blank, we have to put the complete number sentence. First of all, we have 4 parts. And we'll concentrate on the first part. What is the sum of 18 and 3? Sum, of course, is an answer to an addition problem. Very good. 18 plus 3 is what we need to write. 18 plus 3 equals 21. Next question. What is the difference of 18 and 3? Now, we won't say 21 minus 3 equals 18 because that's not the difference of 18 and 3. That's the difference of 21 and 3. Remember, give them what they asked for. We need to focus on these two numbers, 18 and 3. And we need to know the difference between them. And if you're looking for difference, that means subtraction because difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. So one of these numbers has to become your minuend. It will be the largest number, 18. And then of course your 3 will become your subtrahend. And your difference would be 15. Now, what is the product of 18 and 3? Product is an answer to multiplication. So you could multiply 18 times 3. Or you could use repeated addition because multiplication is the same as repeated addition. You could either add 3 18 times or you can add 18 3 times. Obviously, if you add 18 3 times, it will save you time. So we'll put 18 plus 18 plus 18. We only need one plus sign and one equal line. Start with the smallest place value. 8 plus 8 is 16 ones, and 16 ones plus 8 ones is 24 ones. We'll put our 4, carry our 2. 1, 2, 3 tens plus 2 more tens is 5 tens. Why am I saying tens? Because it's all in the tens place. So you could write 18 times 3 equals 54. Now we really showed 3 times 18 because we added it how many times? 3 times. But remember, 3 times 18 is the same as 18 times 3. All we did was switch the factors. And that property is the commutative property of multiplication. We say multiplication because it's factors. If it was addition, we'd say add-ins. Okay? So the other thing you could have done was you could have broken the big factor apart by place value. And that's expanded form. 18 is the same as 10 plus 8. And you could have multiplied both parts by 3. And you would get what we call partial products. 8 times 3 is 24, and 10 times 3 is 30. So we'll take these partial products and we will add them together. 30 plus 24 equals 54. So multiplication is the same as repeated addition. But remember, in this math class, you have to either show your repeated addition or you have to show your long multiplication. We call it long multiplication because that's where we break it apart by place value. A lot of students already know how to do this, which is but the problem is you can't explain that. And since we can't explain that, we won't worry about doing it that way. The only way to get credit is either to show repeated addition or show long multiplication. Okay? Now, what is the quotient of 18 and 3? Quotient obviously is the answer to a division problem. And what does 18 and 3 have to do with division? Well, your larger number would become your dividend. Just like in subtraction, your large number is your minuend. Okay? In division, smaller number is your divisor. Just like in subtraction, your smaller number is your subtrahend. Now, from your fact family practice, you should know that 18 divided by 3 equals 6. But what if you didn't? Well, 18 divided by 3 really means to subtract 3 from 18 until you can't subtract anymore. And if you did that, you would end up subtracting 3 6 times. Okay, but the more we practice, the better we will get. You could write that out on the front of your paper or to the side if you want to work it out. But remember to study your fact families, because that will help you tremendously to remember basic facts like this. All right, if you have any questions or concerns, please email me at ClassJunk. Thank you.